parking attendant for the next 30 seconds or so. And right now we are headed back in time to 1957 and all the way over in the Hollywood Hills Drive-In Theater in California. Thank you.
So as you can tell, we are in the Sci-Fi Dine-In Theater. It's a restaurant based off the 50s, 60s. And you sit in little cars, just like everybody else here. And this is where you eat. This is your table. You get to sit and watch old classic movies. They're all about a minute long. They're not really, really long, but it's the atmosphere here. I mean, you really feel like you're outside. Ooh, this is our favorite restaurant by far. We love this place. They have to drag us out because we just simply never want to leave. Nope, I got it. Here's Ashley's wedge. Oh, there's the wedge salad. That actually looks really, really good. A little vinaigrette here. And now, she's gonna help me illuminate my fried pickles, as it only wants to focus on the sauce. There it is, fried pickles. Y'all know how we do. We love fried pickles. So here I have the Diner barbecue burger, which is your basic cheeseburger with an onion ring bacon and a jalapeno jam. Ashley's already taken them, and it comes with fries. Ashley's is a chicken pasta. It's kind of like your normal kind of bolognese pasta with, what is that, panini pasta? Chicken and a red sauce with freshly grated Parmesan on top. So both of these look amazing. We're gonna grub, and then we will tell you how all this tastes after we get dessert later on in the evening. Alrighty, like I said, we will break down the rest of dinner in a little bit, but first, here is my dessert. It is a warm glazed donut topped with apple and a caramel sauce. It is basically an apple pie, just a donut instead of a pie. Now Ashley, she got a hot fudge sundae, which looks amazing. Like I said, we will break this down when we get outside, where we're not surrounded by people and not in the middle of this spectacular restaurant.
What is shaking, everyone? I don't mean to interrupt the video, but I was not able to give a full rundown of dinner at that time because I was feeling so under the weather. My nose was hurting, my throat was hurting. It was just too difficult. So as you saw, the fried pickles, amazing. And they give a lot of them. I mean, they give a lot. And as you saw, when I showed off the burger, there was still some on the side. That's how many they give you. So my burger, delicious, perfectly cooked, and an onion ring on a burger is always good by me. Ashley's wedge salad was good. Nothing over the top special about it. And her pasta as well, like I mentioned, was basically a bolognese pasta. It's something I could actually recommend for little kids as well, because it is kind of nothing over the top about it, no seasoning wise, but it is good. But nothing like too spicy or anything like that. And actually, they give you so much. If you have a little one, you could share this plate really easily with that said little one. And onto desserts. Ashley's hot fudge sundae, I think, was half hot fudge, as you can see in the video. It's a lot of fudge. And my glazed donut apple pie a la mode thing is heaven. A lot of people that, they ask me, where are we eating? And I say, we are eating at the Sci-Fi. They recommend the donut. And I highly recommend it. It is an apple pie with a donut replacing the pie. So I'm going to let you all get back to the action. We have some Christmas stuff coming up ahead. So, like I said, we'll get back to it and hope you all enjoy.
So as you can see, Hollywood Studios is beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So the projections are up. We're gonna take a look at, eventually we're gonna look at Tower of Terror. But for right now, we're gonna check out the Chinese theater because it is all done up for the holidays.
Joyful gatherings at Christmas time are a gift you can give all year. Joyous tidings to you.